Good morning. Stand up like a big boy. What are you doing? What are you doing? You have your leg up and your other leg back. Hi. You want to come up? Tell mommy up. Huh? Alright, relax, relax. Enough with you cranking. Can we see us? Can you see mommy and Joseph? I think so, come on. Mwah. Who's that? It's you! Right? Mommy gives you kisses. I love you. Oh, are you giving Mama hugs? You want to give Mommy hugs? Alright, here, wait, let's...